Welcome back to Set Streets and Eats, guys. I'm Chris Bauer, and I am at Roba's Family Farms here in just north of Scranton, PA. You know, just north of where Dunder Mifflin is. And this is a farm that does kind of activities and features every fall. Actually, year-round, they always have kind of something going on. Well, maybe not winter. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm sure through Christmas. Either way, they have several animatronic features, including the Barnyard Band right behind me. So I'm going to go way around and check this place out and see what other animatronics they have, and I hope you guys will join me. Let's go see it. Farm Animal Center, a little petting zoo over here. To the goats. It's the goats. What's up, fellas? I don't have anything to feed you with. I know. You keep expecting me to come over here with food. It's my fault. How you guys doing? Hi, guys. Everybody wants food tonight. You guys probably stay pretty plump from the tourists, don't you? And they're good boys. I like your beard, bro. I respect it. Twinning. Oh, we're going to Bunnyville. Look at this. We got Bunnyville over here. Sitting next to his log cabin. That's fun. Oh, look at all those little bunnies over there. More this way. Bunnyville, they all have their own house. That's pretty awesome. Look at these sheep. What's up, guys? Look at these llamas. They're hiding on us. Really are. They're really hiding. A llama? He's supposed to be dead. Yeah, weird. I can't help but hear, when I hear the word llama, to finish the quote from the Emperor's New Groove trailer. That's right. It's a big reach back to the early 2000s. What's up, buddies? Look at you guys putting your heads out through the holes. Well, hello. 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 And after you. Oh, we got a little short one. Always get run off. So Roba's Family Farms is very cool. I'm going to just make that call now. Now, I'm not going to go in the corn maze. And no, it's not because it's late at night. I'm alone. I don't want to get lost in a corn maze. It's not that at all. I'm scared. I don't think it looks fun. A singing tractor? Oh my goodness.
Get up and smile. Get up. You are my unicorn, dandelion, chocolate peaches. In my horizon, as far as the reach, just wanna get up and smile. Get up and smile. Get up and smile. Get up and smile. Well, that song just makes me feel all warm and fuzzy inside. I couldn't be happier. And I heard the only way to truly be happy is to be happy with what you got, even if you're getting along.
I also learned the word tractor comes from the Latin word trahera. Some people say traher, but it means to pull. So let me pull you beautiful folks in and sing another song for you.
Some things in this life are so great to learn. Like why the planets around the sun don't burn. I would explain it, but I forgot. But I can tell you right now for sure that the sun is hot. It's what we got.
I would not have guessed a pop singing tractor animatronic if you had asked me what animatronics I thought I was going to see here before I came in. Definitely one of a kind. Yeah, easy listening, I guess we'd call it. Yacht rock, maybe? Yacht rock's catchier. Easy listening, probably. But yeah, that's an interesting animatronic. I've never seen one of those. It had a lot of movement too. Post below in the comments if you guys know what company makes those. Yeah, I definitely didn't recognize it. Very cool. And you gotta have a big jumping pillow. Those are fun. Well, there's two of these jumping pillows. Those are a constant at any corn maze I've been to. They always have these jumping pillows. I'm hearing the apple cannons going off up here. Got a giant slide all the way over there. So the Roba Family Farms, I believe started back in the early 90s. Been going ever since. I'm assuming it's based off of the family that probably farms and owns this land. And they just wanted to make a year-round feature to make some money. But they've grown it into a really cool place with attractions all year round. So there we got the big tractor hayride. You can ride cows, fake cows on wheels. Big line of them right there that the tractor pulls behind. Takes you on a little route. Oh my God, look at this. Grandpa's apple cannons. Is this cool or what? Oh my gosh, these are amazing. And they shoot these targets. Got my tickets for the apple cannons. That's how you make sauce. Now that was fun. I've never seen one of those at a corn maze, which you're like, why wouldn't that be at every corn maze? That's just good fun. They can make as much money as they want on those. Loved it. That's a good idea too. Looks like we got a show up here. Actually, it looks like a dog track. Dog racing, maybe. As I see little, maybe goat racing. I bet it's goat racing. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, Hillbilly Pig Race is what it says. That's fun. This is almost like an animatronic. Old-timey steam engine. Check out this play area. Oh, that's awesome. The Birdhouse Boardwalk. Check those out. That's pretty cool. Very neat. Lots of little picnic areas and play areas for the kids. Definitely, obviously, a family area. or event place. I'm sure you can do birthday parties and all kinds of fun stuff over there. But yeah, that's awesome. Hayride over here, which is towed behind a tractor. Everybody's in the back on the hay bales. You definitely gotta do one of those at a corn maze. And beyond that is the pumpkin patch, where you can actually go pick your own pumpkins out of the field. That's pretty cool. So this is I'm assuming a haunted pumpkin patch right next to the corn maze. We're gonna go check that out. You gotta have a catfish pond with giant cats in it.
Found it.
It's pretty much impossible to see. Oh, maybe not. I think you can see that. That is quite a cat or koi getting approached by another one. And these ponds are full too. Wow. Oh boy. Spooky. I like it. And as I mentioned before, we are near Scranton, so you of course have to have an office pumpkin. Dadoy. That's cool. It's like a circus made of pumpkins. That's awesome. Tickets if you dare. Roba Family Farms. On the wheel. Scary. You gotta have the monsters. Aww. These are pretty awesome. Animals made of pumpkins. That's really cool. That horse. Wow. Wow, look at these. That's amazing. Very nice. Oh, a ghostly graveyard on both sides. What will we do? Ooh, look at this. It's a train of pumpkins. And the conductor's a ghost. Shark! It's Bruce! Fish aren't food, they're friends. Jim and Pam! Very nice. So they smoke in the mist. Very nice. Very creepy. Very scared. Then we've got the Disney Princesses wall. All are represented. It's very nice. And you gotta have Cinderella's carriage for a photo op. That's fun. This is very charming, I will say. Yeah, I like it a lot, actually. Oh, look at it. A pumpkin canopy. Ooh, a bridge of pumpkins. You know, they might want to add a David as pumpkins. David P. Pumpkins? Whatever Tom Hanks' SNL character is. It'd be great to do a pumpkin version of him out there. His suit's all pumpkins anyway. Back on the other side, lots of little eateries. For sure. Some of them are closed, some are open. Wish Taco Junction was open. But we got pizza and dogs. Next to the barbecue barn that's closed. Oh well. So just like at Stu Leonard's, they have one of those 3-cage chicken shows. Now I'm gonna guess theirs is on a timer, not on motion. don't see a button. As a bummer as that is. The chicken show. Definitely wish that was on. But yeah, just like it's 2 letters, they've definitely got. Oh, we got a light on. Here we go. We got more lights on. Got a little action.
Howdy, all you unfeathered folks. Welcome to the Cackle Music Review right here at Roba Family Farms, where all our singers are chicken to be on stage. Featuring the latest in folk music with a little humor scratched up here and there. Everybody please put your wings together and give a warm birder welcome to the Barnyard Band.
Yay! It's just me out here, folks. All alone.
I looked over the barnyard and what did I see? Coming for to carry me home.
Oh, we're going
that
to church.
Big bad farmer wanting fricassee. Coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot. Coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot. Coming for to carry me home. For to carry me home. Birds of a feather flock together, and we are one foul music group. So, let's crack some shells and get to know each other a bit better. Starting with the youngest, we got my little friend, Tanya Cluck. Over there, we got Loretta Hen.
Loretta Hen.
Here's Patty Eggers. And everybody, please say hello to Reba McEntire. Hey, it's Patsy Goo.
McEntire.
Looky, Shania Twain. Give a big welcome to my good friend on the post over there, Rusty Rooster.
Rusty.
And never to be forgotten, our furry friend on the end, Wiley Fox.
Oh, there he is.
He looks pecky.
Well, he's got a little suit coat on.
Hello, folks. Allow me to introduce you to our leader, the ruler of the roost, the king of the coop. It's Rocky the Rooster. Enough flapping at the beat. Let's get going with some of the finest clucking and doodling in these here parts. Now y'all stay put and incubate your bottoms a while, because we're going dancing a little bit.
I'm looking over a hen in the corner that I've overlooked before. A beak is perfection, a color's divine. A comb and a wattle, I'm gonna make mine. No use explaining the one remaining, the one hen that I adore. I'm looking over a hen in the corner that I've overlooked before. I'm looking over a hen in the corner that I've overlooked before. A beak is perfection, a color's divine. A comb and a wattle, I'm gonna make mine. No use explaining the one remaining's the one hen that I adore. I'm looking over a hen in the corner that I've overlooked before.
Oh, when the fox comes sneaking in. Oh, when the fox comes sneaking in. We don't want to be in this hen house when the fox comes sneaking in. So lock the bar, sound the alarm. Oh, farmers seal off the whole darn farm. But we don't want to be in this hen house if the fox comes come sneaking in.
Get your locks,
So get your locks,
'cause I'm the fox.
'cause he's the fox.
There ain't no barn I can't get in.
Can't get in.
Oh, you don't want to be in that hen house when this fox comes sneaking in.
Oh, when the fox comes sneaking in.
Sneaking in,
Oh, when the fox
come sneaking in.
oh, we don't wanna be in this hen house when the fox comes sneaking in.
On top of a fence post, I strut and I wait, a clucking and crowing in search of a mate.
Below in the barnyard, where chickens all day,
Eating our corn feed, 'cause we're not impressed.
sure Gordon's a pleasure, but parting's a grief.
That false-hearted rooster is worse than a thief. The chickens don't like me. They say I'm too loud. Strutting and crowing and acting so proud. But I'm king of the barnyard. They need me, I know. And sooner or later, they'll answer my crow. Sure, courting's a pleasure, but parting's a grief. That false-hearted rooster is worse than a thief. Hey, I'm the king of this barnyard. They'll soon come around. Once they all remember, I'm the only game in town. Oh, you chickens, get back here. I'm so tired of chasing chickens around the barnyard. Rooster in the barnyard, this is what he sings. He sings a funny song to make the rafters ring. He sings a rooster song. Wow, wow. He sings it all day long. Wow, wow. He sings a rooster song. Listen to him sing. Here, there, a cock-a-doodle-doodle everywhere. He sings a rooster song. He sings it all day long. He sings a rooster song. Listen to him sing. Now you can do like a rooster too. Here is all you gotta do. Shake your wings up high. Fly and touch the sky. Bring them way down low. Turn around, there you go. Come on, you youngins, let's try it now. Well, high. Way down low. Well, high. There you go. Rock here, rock there, a cock-a-doodle-doo everywhere. Sings a rooster song. Sings it all day long. Sings a rooster song. Listen to him say. He sings a rooster song. Listen to him say. Well, that's it for us. Thanks for coming, everybody. We sure do appreciate it when people enjoy our music. Now, if every one of you could get up and shake your tail feather, we might be able to distract that farmer and skedaddle out of here. And if that doesn't work, well, we'll just see you at the next show.
Well, we're going to go up to the front to see if we can see one more performance of the Barnyard Band.
Give yourselves a hand. You're in the Barnyard Animal Band.
And now, I'd like to introduce all the members of our animal band. Our favorite cow, Ellie Mae. My friend, Billy the Goat. The wonderful Loma. She's a little sheepish. Let's give her a hand. My funny bunny friend, Jack. The incredible Muddy Brothers.
I'd like you all to meet my friend Dwayne the donkey.
And the Corn Family Singers. La, la, la. You get some hay and I'll get some barley, honey. You get some hay and I'll get some barley, babe. You get some hay, I'll get some barley. Only the best for this go party, honey. Baby mine.
There goes Harlan with the sack on his back, honey.
He's going to the market with a sack on his back, now, babe. He's going to the market and be gone all day. While he's away, we're gonna pick and play now, honey.
Baby mine. I'm gonna play this washed-down bass guitar.
I'm gonna play the tambourine, I'll be the star.
I'll play the bass.
Play the tambourine, we're gonna be hip.
We're gonna make the scene,
Honey,
baby mine.
I'm gonna play the fiddle on the song.
I'm gonna play on my cowbell for you all.
I'm gonna fiddle, gonna play my bell. We're gonna be stars, ain't that swell? Honey, baby mine.
Yeehaw!
Was in the spring, one sunny day, our friendly farmer, he went away. He's gone to market for the whole day. The farmer's gone, and we're gonna play.
I got a cowbell that I can ding.
I got my song, sounds like a violin. The farmer's gone, he went away. Let's play some music and eat some hay.
Hey, can corn sing?
Yep, they've got an ear for music. Don't like our girls, don't pull our ears. We've got good news, the corn is here. The farmer's gone,
He went away.
gonna play some music and eat some hay.
So stomp your feet.
Stomp your feet and clap your hands. Clap your hands. Join in with our clap your hands. Great animal band. The farmer's gone, he went away. Play some music and eat some hay. The farmer's gone, he went away. Gonna play some music the animal way.
I'm going down the road, going by. I'm going down the road, going by. I'm going down the road, going by, by, by. 'Cause sheep talk that way. I'm going down the road, going blue.
I'm going down the road, going hee-haw. We're going down the road, going hee-haw. 'Cause cow, sheep, and donkey talk that way. They feed me on greens and hay. They feed me on greens and hay. They feed me on greens and hay. That's okay, but I'd like some oats one day. Well, I'm going down the road, going ba-moo-hee-haw, I'm hungry. Going down the road, going ba-moo-hee-haw, I'm hungry. Going down the road, going ba-moo-hee-haw, I'm hungry. Barnyard critters done talk this way.
Well, it's time for all of you to help all of us by singing along. I need you to sing Babu Hee Haw, I'm hungry.
I'm going down the road, going Babu Hee Haw, I'm hungry. Going down the road, going Babu Hee Haw, I'm hungry. Going down the road, going Babu Hee Haw, I'm hungry. All your clears done, talk this way. All your clears done, talk this way. All your clears done, talk this way.
Give a hand to the Roba Family Animal Band. Be sure to visit the Old Barn Cafe and Bakery, home of our famous cider donuts, or my favorite, Jake's Chuck Wagon.
Well, she'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain, coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. Oh, Susanna, don't you cry for me, 'cause I come from Alabama with a banjo on my knee. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes. She'll be driving 6 white horses, driving 6 white horses. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes. Oh, Susanna, don't you cry for me, 'cause I come from Alabama with a banjo on my knee. Yes, we'll all come out to greet her when she comes. Yes, we'll all come out to greet her when she comes. Yes, we'll all come out to greet her. We'll all come out to greet her. Yes, we'll all come out to greet her when she comes.
Yes, sir.
She'll be coming down the mountain when she comes.
Yes, sir.
She'll be coming down the mountain when she comes.
Yes, sir.
Well, I really liked how the band sinks into the stage. There was a lot of activity on each of the animatronics. I thought that was pretty cool. Billy Goat probably had the least. He was over here. We got Dwayne. I forget, was it Clarabelle? I think it's the cow. But then you got old Jackrabbit with the corn singers in the middle. And then the piggies over here on this side. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the Barnyard Band here at Roba's Family Farms. Very cool. If anybody knows, again, who makes these, let me know. The donkey, I thought was going to be about the same donkey as the one I saw in Gatlinburg at that Mexican restaurant. Check out my Gatlinburg video if you don't remember. I kind of went around Gatlinburg looking for animatronics, and they have a donkey that's in one of the Mexican restaurants on the second floor, but he's not working. But he definitely looks different than this one. This one looks more puppety than that donkey. So yeah, I'm not sure who makes these, but this is a great show. Like, it's got so much movement, so many characters. They're very, very cool. It's like a mix between Chuck E. Cheese and Stu Leonard's. I dig it. Well, guys, I'm going to exit to the gift shop, as people do. And I hope you guys enjoyed, I know I did, my visit to Roba's Family Farms here in Pennsylvania, just north of Scranton. I mean, you get a main stage animatronic band. Come on, what more could you possibly want? And the animatronic chicken show, which I have seen versions of before, but I've definitely never seen that animatronic tractor. I thought that was awesome. So, hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you on next time, guys. Bye now.